I'm going to show you how to create the bank deposit. So you go to the three lines, click, go to reports, and over here, financial reports, and we're going to do a bank deposit. Bank account is Jackson College, and for instance, I'm going to go back in a date range. So I'm just going to go back to in October, the last week of October. So I'll type in Tuesday the 26th and Tuesday the 28th, or Thursday the 28th. And then you click done. And then you can either click print or run report. I'll click print, and you'll see everything comes up here, the total deposit. So, and then you just do Control P to print the deposit out so that you have a record of it. And normally you would click print, but not right now. So that's how you do a bank deposit.